you're actually one of my longest running clients. And I know you found us through Aquascape when you had a pump issue. So it was more of a service repair thing that you and I met. And then it's kind of blossomed into some clean outs. And then eventually we decided to rebuild your pond. So thank you so much for just sticking with us. Can you tell us why you have stuck with me and Carlos and Flo for the years that we've been working for you?
Well, you know, the other pond place that rebuilt it before you did, after they came out to maintain it, they didn't maintain it. It was a constant mess. Nobody knew what they were doing with it. Stan, I don't want to mess with stuff like that. You know, I'm too old to deal with that kind of stuff. I just want it to be nice and look good and enjoy it. So that's why, because you guys do what you say you're going to do.
So, I mean, I do remember you had called Aquascape because you had an issue with the pump. It wasn't working. And I think the other pond company said, oh, you need a new pump. And you called Aquascape saying, hey, this should be under warranty, or can you fix it? And then you had me come out and take a look at the pump. We got that thing restarted, and you still have the same pump from, how long has it been? Maybe about 5 years?
Oh, at least.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's been longer than that because my husband's been going on 6. So it was probably about 7.
So the pump is going well, I think, in the right situation. You can attest that they last, just need to be put in the right situation and serviced the right way. The other question I have for you is, I guess just from a life perspective, once you got the pond, do you see yourself ever not having a pond? What does it do for you that you would want to always live with a pond?
Oh, I would probably always have one. Maybe because I grew up sort of in the country, but it's so peaceful. It's so nice. I had a friend say, why don't you just get rid of it? I said, what? But anyway, I just enjoy it. When I'm eating, I watch it. When I'm out here, I just enjoy it. I do. I like the fish.
they always, and they greet you every morning, right? It's
Yeah.
like they call them some people call them water puppies for that reason, I guess.
Oh,
Because they're happy to see you. The fish come and they're happy to see you. They're more like feed me, but it gives the people the feeling that they're loved.
you know, they can hear that glass door opening, and they come up then, start up then.
They're just ready.
Yeah.
They're ready. Feeding time. Well, thank you so much, MaryAnn, for sitting down with us.
Okay, and Stan, thank you for being such a good pond person. I mean, it's unbelievable. I mean, I've had so many pretend people who thought they knew what they were doing, and none of them really did. So, thank you.
Well, thanks again.